me G's them right now. Welcome back to Forward into another vlog. Him attack you whole like goldfish them. Me poor goldfish then soon dead. You me want me have to go clean off the tank. The poor watcher. She attack you whole of them. The poor goldfish then soon dead. Me I go kill her. Watch her. Watch her. She kill off the goldfish them. Me must kill you. Me must kill you. You little son of a... Me say, if me no kill him, watch out. If me no kill him, something wrong. If me no kill him, something wrong. He mean you kill off the whole like goldfish them. With him long face. In long mouth. Watch it. Me no know where goldfish then could have do him. He mean you beat them up. Me must kill you today, watch. Watch, me must kill you. Me must kill you. You me must kill. Watch him. Me say they can't swim in peace. They can't sleep in peace. Watch out, watch out. Who you for pick pan you now? Pick pan. The poor goldfish then can't swim in peace. Go there. Me I kill him, man. Me I go kill him today. Today me I kill him. Today me I kill him. You're bright and out of order. Nothing more than you see a coffin when you like. Watch it. Then can't swim in peace. This one you not top fin in then name off the whole line top fin already. Look how them wicked. Then name off the whole line top fin already. In not top fin. This little me say. So me tell you now, me have to take him out like one. He will attack the whole of them. Legit attack the whole of them. So me just take him out, me have him in this. And we about to kill him. Cause he is a murderer. Nothing no go so. He is a murderer. You don't deserve to live. You don't deserve to live. So he in a jail right now. Rest of them there. Him next, because I see him attack them too. You know, I take out the two flat one them, but for today, I am alone in jail. Yeah man, so I'm sorry for him because right now the water is chlorine water. But that is jail. You're too damn wicked. As you can see, right here so is a next cage. What living in the cage? What living in the cage? Want to see in here, look? Look on in here. Look when doing water already. What the hell is this? This is a tegu. Yo. Travis has completely lost his mind. Look where the man pet is. Yo, look how the thing just a premiere. I think look like Godzilla. Yo, the thing. Oh my god. May I stop coming in the garage? May I go stop coming here? And of course, you know you have the one here up here, so she's just a chill, you know. She's just a chill. She just open her stick. Yo, she weird too, you know. him tail go way down there so. Damn, look how him tail go. Weirdy. Chabas creatures them, you know? So right now we're there at supermarket run. We here, we're buying some cauliflower and some broccoli and some stuff. So what's up, boy? You go on a lizard food.
No, I'm food, me I buy, man.
Yo, you see, so what's all is up buy food for you going now?
You man wicked.
Yo, I see some greens in always, I just see greens.
No, remember I'm not eating
yes,
rice.
yes, but me never know say you're going greens.
Yeah, so for me I need go on that still.
So Ricky going greens there too? What do you
eat healthy life.
Everybody have a greens. Yeah, Ricky regular life though.
No, they me that.
Cauliflower. Yeah.
I will take on my cat. Hey, lady, come here. Your boy.
Like broccoli.
I cop 2 of them, you know? I cop 3. I cop 2.
Yeah. The cauliflower go there. 360.
Put them on low shot. You know, here. No, you don't want nothing.
Everybody was here now. Ricky had talked about liver and kidney.
Yo, the man don't know the difference on liver or kidney.
What's the difference, Trevor?
One soft, one tough.
Are two different organs.
So I'm asking which one is soft and which one is tough.
Liver, gummy. Kidney, soft.
No,
Right?
That's
no,
wrong, dog.
Yes.
That's wrong.
no.
Alright. Comment. In the comment and tell me if I'm wrong.
Yo, I don't know. I don't have none of them. So
No, business not the argument, yeah. What y'all look for?
Carpet cleaner.
Carpet cleaner?
Oh, you know what I mean?
Hold on there, before you click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up My G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a